That was the coldest football game I've ever been associated with, I'll tell you that much. It was, don't let anybody tell you, I mean, that was cold. That was cold.
That was pretty freezing. I mean, it was pretty cold.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the pride of Minnesota.
Pass complete to 48, Pedersen.
I've made it to a place Wisconsin players couldn't after their 20-7 victory over Minnesota on Saturday, the East End goalposts at TCF Bank Stadium for the traditional chop down of the goalposts with the win of Paul Bunyan's axe. Minnesota players formed a barricade and wouldn't let Wisconsin players in.
The way it kind of works, the way it's worked for 123 years, is the winners of the axe get to go chop down the goalposts. So that's pretty exciting. We were trying to wait for them to leave because they were singing their school song and stuff, but and then we went to go chop it down, but never got it done.
I don't need somebody pointing a finger in my face when supposedly it's their job to protect the kids and be the security for the stadium, I suppose. So yeah, it makes me mad because I think it's just not right. Who was pointing a finger in your face? Police officer.
That's all right. They should be mad.
I think this game's always been a little chippy, so it doesn't surprise me at all.
That was the coldest football game I've ever been associated with, I'll tell you that much. It was, don't let anybody tell you, I mean, that was cold. That was cold.
You got that straight, Coach. A wind chill of 5 degrees at kickoff. It's even colder now post-game. One more regular season game left for the Badgers. It's in Madison next week, home against Penn State. In Minneapolis, Ben Meyer, Newswatch 12 Sports.